So apostrophes have two main uses. One is to replace letters. In he's, the apostrophe is short for he is. In it'll, that's short for it will. Won't, short for will not. Notice how the apostrophe goes in the place of the letters where it's replacing. These words are called contractions when an apostrophe replaces a letter in a word or a group of words. Apostrophes can also be used to show an accent. You might see this in types of fiction writing or narratives. Apostrophes are also used to show ownership. So, for example, Jesse's car means the car belongs to Jesse. Or Jennifer's large dog means the large dog belongs to Jennifer. Apostrophe S is what's called singular possessive. This is the one you're going to see the most. It means that one person or one thing owns something. So if you see this example, the dog's toys, it means one dog owns the toys. Now, then there's also a little more rare plural possessive, S apostrophe. And this means that multiple people or things own something. So if your sentence says, the dog's toys, with the apostrophe at the end of the S, that means the toys belong to many dogs. So think about it this way. If you say, I went to my parents' house, if you're referring to one parent, you use apostrophe S, singular possessive. If you are referring to both, you use S apostrophe, plural possessive. There are certain times when we should not use apostrophes, so don't use apostrophes to make plurals. Plurals usually only have S or ES or IES at the end of the word. So if your sentence says, I have many birds, with the apostrophe before the S, that's incorrect. The birds are not owning anything, and there's no letter that is replaced. So that's a good test for if you need an apostrophe. Think about, is there a letter that's being replaced? Or is there, or does the word with the apostrophe own something? Usually there's a noun after a word with an apostrophe, so that's a good clue. Don't use apostrophes for verbs. Apostrophes are only ever in nouns, so if your sentence says something like, he runs fast, we know automatically that's wrong. Don't use apostrophes for words that already show ownership, like in this example, the money is his. So the word his is what's called a possessive pronoun. Basically, it's a word that already shows ownership, and it doesn't need an apostrophe to show ownership. So don't use an apostrophe for these kinds of words.